we went ahead and threw these on there too. So got the Instagram and the YouTube, and then also got the decal in the back. So yeah, man, we're really trying to go full scale with this. What's goody, grind schoolers? It's your boy Rob, and we back in the shop. I'm about to start calling this the shop because this is where we do all the work on everything. Instead of calling it the garage, I mean, essentially it's the same thing, but yo, we get all our work in up in here. So today we are installing the side skirts, carbon fiber side skirts. They're IKON side skirts. I got my boy Alex in here to help me. Essentially what I did was I put some double-sided tape on the ends, so on the front end and the back end, so that's going to help us hold this in place instead of like using a jack or anything like that, because this is really fragile, and you know, I don't want to try to have to balance it and get it wrong, because you know, they always say measure twice, cut once, because I'm pretty much drilling into the body of my car and I don't want to mess up. So what I did was put double-sided tape on there. And then also I have some water and some car wash solution or whatever to just spray up under there to clean it up, so double-sided tape sticks up under there. So we basically, hold on bro, we basically got some ridges in here that go up under here. They slide in right there, and that's how you can kind of line it up. And like I said, we got the double-sided tape, so once we line it up, we're gonna stick the tape on there and this thing should hold, and then we'll get to drilling. All right, so we got the impact, and then we got some 3/4 inch self-drilling screws or whatever. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna space it apart, and we're gonna take those screws, go up under here, and we're going to drill sideways in through the body, and we're going to do that all the way down, about 6 inches apart, all the way down until we got this thing all the way in. Alright, so basically we're drilling like I said, about a little more than 6 inches, maybe about 8 inches. When I drill, I'm going real slow through the carbon fiber so that it doesn't crack or doesn't break. We're just taking our time. And you don't wanna drill too heavy, because if you crack the carbon fiber, that's it. You'll be getting a new side skirt. So that's basically what we're doing. We're doing about 6 to 8 inches apart. I'm trying to go real slow. Like I said, I got these self-drilling screws because I don't have to drill with the drill bit and go through the metal before and then go back with a screw. They're helping, they're working a lot better than I guess if you were to drill through a hole first and then try to line everything back up. Pretty much this thing is already in there. I just got to do like 3 or 4 more screws along this end, and then we'll go to the other side. Alright, grind schoolers, we're done. We got the side skirts on. I'll do another video when we're out in the sunlight. It's dark right now, so you can't really see it. But I'll do a walk around in the car when I get everything on. Tomorrow, hopefully I can take this bumper off, do the splitter, fog lights, and the grill. So I'll do a video on that. But yeah, they look great. It wasn't too difficult. Probably took about 15 minutes without all the technical difficulties and stuff. With jacking the car up and everything like that. But you know, thank you guys for your support. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and smack that like button, hit that subscribe button, the notification bell, so you get all of our videos when we update everything. Oh yeah, too, also we went ahead and threw these on there too. So got the Instagram and the YouTube, and then also got the decal in the back. So yeah, man, we're really trying to go full scale with this. But like I always say, man, work hard so you can live free.